We certainly want to thank Indiana-Michigan Power for their partnership, as well as Governor Whitmer and Eagle and MAPT and all the other school districts. It certainly is an interesting time, and certainly we're very proud to be part of that partnership. I also want to thank our transportation supervisor, Kenny Schrader, and our director of operations, Brian Leonard, for their leadership in this to bring electric buses to Three Rivers Community Schools. The impact, I think, is going to be immense. In fact, we just finished a strategic plan this past July. We identified 8 graduate outcomes, and one of those outcomes deals with having our graduates be socially responsible citizens. So I can't come up with a better example by us adding 2 electric buses to our fleet and modeling that outcome from our students and our community. Electric buses are a lot more fuel efficient, require less maintenance than our diesel buses. And we figured out this savings in fuel and maintenance costs will assist us in another strategic initiative as being financially stable. So that's going to go a long way in helping us reach that goal of being financially stable. And I also need to thank our Three Rivers Boards of Education for their leadership and unwavering support of initiatives like this electric school bus grant. Our vision is to be the school of choice in St. Joe County, and adding electric buses to our fleet is another example of getting us closer to reaching our vision. And the big point we want to share with our students is that this is a great way to reduce our carbon footprint and being socially responsible citizens. So thanks again, and we're really happy to be a part of this partnership.